It starts early, the passion to create, to drink in stories and share them, the sparkle in the eye and the delight. She kept holding on that dream and tending to it, as it whispers inside her of all the places and journeys she could go. But then she grew up, and reality hits hard. She needed a job that is secure and pays off predictable income every month. Does she enjoy it? She doesn't, but it pays the bills and helps answer the question, what you do for a living. One night, as she scrolls through, she remembers with delight what her dream was: to write and share stories with the world. So she starts with baby steps, learning from the internet and creating for the internet, page by page, word by word. She was building her dream, all because she took that brave step. She recognized the right tools, platforms, formats, strategies. Her dream career is just starting. Join her and many others like her by taking the first step. You can find the article link in the description box.